Think you're ready for your next big adventure? One mistake with travel insurance can ruin your dream trip, or save it. Don't risk it. Discover the essential tips every explorer needs before they go. Coverage. When you're planning any trip, the first thing to think about is coverage. Travel insurance coverage is the backbone of your safety net while you're away from home. But what does coverage really mean? It simply refers to what is included and protected under your insurance policy. Before you buy any plan, always check the details. Does it cover medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost luggage, or accidents? The best coverage gives you peace of mind, knowing that unexpected problems won't ruin your journey. Many travelers make the mistake of picking the cheapest option without reading what's actually covered. Sometimes, basic plans don't include important things like emergency evacuation or adventure sports. Read the policy documents carefully and compare different options. If you're carrying expensive gadgets or planning risky activities, you might need extra coverage. Remember, every country and trip is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. The smartest travelers always choose coverage that matches their trip budget and activities. Don't let hidden gaps in your insurance become expensive surprises. Double-check the coverage, ask questions, and travel with confidence. Medical emergencies can happen anywhere, anytime, even on your dream vacation. That's why medical coverage is one of the most important parts of travel insurance. Imagine getting sick or injured in a foreign country, where healthcare can be expensive or confusing. Without the right insurance, you could end up paying huge bills out of your own pocket. Always check if your travel insurance covers medical expenses, hospital stays, doctor visits, and medicine. Some plans even offer 24/7 emergency assistance so you can get help anytime you need it. Look for coverage that includes ambulance services, emergency evacuation, and even returning home if needed. If you have a pre-existing medical condition, be sure to declare it while buying your policy. Hiding it might make your coverage useless. Medical coverage should also include dental emergencies and accidents because even a small injury can ruin your trip. Before you leave, note down the emergency contact numbers of your insurance provider and keep your policy details handy. If something happens, you'll be prepared to get the help you need without delay or extra stress. Always remember, when it comes to your health, it's better to be safe than sorry. Claims. Filing a claim is one of the most important parts of travel insurance, but many travelers ignore it until something goes wrong. A claim is simply a request for payment or help from your insurance company if you face a problem covered by your policy, like lost luggage or a canceled flight. To make the process easy, always keep copies of important documents, receipts, medical bills, police reports, and proof of loss. If something happens, contact your insurance company as soon as possible. Most providers have 24/7 hotlines and online claim forms. Give them clear, honest details about what happened. Missing documents or giving the wrong information can slow down your claim or even get it rejected. Double-check all the paperwork before you send it. Also, read your policy's instructions about how and when to file a claim. Some claims must be reported within a set time frame, or they may not be accepted. Good record keeping and quick action help you get your money back faster. Remember, a successful claim can turn a travel disaster into just a minor hiccup, so always know your policy's claim process before you go. Delays. Travel delays are one of the most frustrating parts of any trip. Whether it's a missed flight, a long layover, or bad weather, delays can ruin your plans and cost you money. That's where travel insurance comes in handy. Most good travel insurance policies offer coverage for delays, but it's important to know exactly what's included. If your flight or train is delayed for a certain number of hours, you might be able to claim compensation for meals, hotel stays, or even a new ticket. Always keep all receipts and official proof of the delay, like emails or messages from your airline. These are required when you file a claim. Every policy has different rules about how long a delay must be before you're eligible, so check the details before your trip. Sometimes delays can to miss connections or important events. In these cases, travel insurance can help you with extra expenses or alternative arrangements. Remember to contact your insurer as soon as you know about the delay. They can guide you on what to do next. With the right preparation and knowledge, you can turn an annoying delay into just a small bump on your travel adventure. Theft is an unfortunate reality when traveling, whether it's a stolen wallet, lost luggage, or missing electronics. That's why having travel insurance that covers theft is essential for every explorer. Before your trip, check your policy to see exactly what items are covered and up to what value. Some policies have special rules for expensive gadgets, jewelry, or cash. If you become a victim of theft, report it immediately to the local police and get a written report. This is usually required when you file an insurance claim. Also, notify your insurance company as soon as possible and keep all receipts or proof of purchase for your stolen items. The faster you act, the better your chances of getting compensated. Remember, most insurance policies won't cover items left unattended in public places or unlocked vehicles. Always stay alert, use hotel safes, and keep your valuables secure while traveling. Understanding the terms of your theft coverage gives you peace of mind, so you can focus on enjoying your journey instead of worrying about your belongings. With smart precautions and the right insurance, you'll be ready for anything. Exclusions are the parts of your travel insurance policy that are not covered, and understanding them is just as important as knowing what is included. Many travelers ignore the fine print and get an unpleasant surprise when their claim is denied due to an exclusion they didn't notice. Common exclusions include risky activities like skydiving, accidents caused by alcohol or drugs, pre-existing medical conditions, and losses from leaving your belongings unattended. Every insurance policy is different, so always read the exclusions section carefully before you buy. If you plan to do something adventurous on your trip, check if your policy covers it, or consider adding extra coverage. Don't assume everything is included. Ask your insurance provider questions if anything is unclear. Knowing about exclusions helps you avoid mistakes and choose the best policy for your needs. It also means you'll be less likely to face problems or rejected claims later on. The smartest explorers know exactly what their policy will and won't cover, so they can travel with true peace of mind. Always double-check and never skip the details. Support is one of the most valuable benefits of having travel insurance, especially when you face problems in a foreign country. Good travel insurance isn't just about money, it's about having help when you need it most. Many insurance companies offer 24/7 support hotlines, multilingual assistance, and emergency help with things like finding a hospital, replacing lost documents, or arranging transport home. Before your trip, save your insurer's contact details and know how to reach them in an emergency. If you have any trouble, medical, legal, or travel-related, don't hesitate to call for help. The support team can guide you step by step, making stressful situations much easier to handle. Even for small problems, like lost luggage or delayed flights, the right support can save you time and frustration. Travelers who use their insurance company's support services often resolve issues faster and with less stress. Remember, good support means someone always has your back wherever you go. That peace of mind is worth every penny. Did you learn something new about travel insurance today? Which tip surprised you most? Tap subscribe and share your thoughts below. Don't miss our next video, hidden gems you must visit before they go mainstream, coming soon.